Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today I have for you some fun crafts you can do with these paper rolls. We're going to start with one of them as well as construction paper in the brown tone and the yellow tone. We're also going to use googly eyes because we are obsessed with googly eyes, and also a pencil and scissors, of course. And we're going to be using my hot glue as well as some glue stick. Anything you have, even white glue, is fine. We're going to start by taking the paper roll and we're going to fold down one of the top edges and then folding the opposite side on top of it, creating little ears, and then we're going to hot glue just a little bit in the center to hold them together. Then we're going to take these larger googly eyes. Larger looks better in my opinion, but you can always use the smaller ones if that's what you have. We're going to hot glue them together on the top, creating eyes. And we want them to actually overlap each other or touch each other in the center because we're creating a little owl. Let's make a little beak using this yellow construction paper and the glue stick. We're just going to add a little triangle right there as the beak. Now for the brown construction paper, we're going to fold about 3/4 of an inch, and then we're just going to cut it, creating two sides. Then we're going to cut these little portions into what will look like this. Just little tiny pieces of one side that is rounded and the other side squared. This is so we can create what will look like feathers on our owl. So I'm just going to keep cutting 2 at a time because it just goes a little quicker. And then using my hot glue, but of course you can use your glue stick or white glue, I'm just going to start adding them. Now I'm going to start at the bottom. The rounded edge is going to be facing downwards, and I'm just going to place 6 of them at the bottom and then 6 of them on top and go on like that until you reach right underneath that little beak. Alright, so I'm just going to slow it down just a tiny bit just to give you a view of what it looks like as we are finishing. Now you can add these all the way around. That would be a lot of work, but if you want to do that, absolutely. We're going to take more construction paper in the brown tone and we're just going to create little wings. So I'm just going to freehand one of them and then fold the paper so I can cut 2 of them at the same time, and that way they're both about the same size and shape and they should look something like that. And then we're just going to add a little bit of glue or whatever glue you're using and hot glue them to the back on the side, and then you can always fold a little bit and tug until they are facing the direction. I did face him a little downwards and I think he's adorable. Oh my god, the eyes are so cute. Oh my goodness, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next fun DIY craft, I'm going to take another paper roll, of course, more construction paper in the yellow and the black tones. I'm also going to be using more googly eyes, yes, I know, and a pipe cleaner in the black tone or Chanel stem. We're also going to be using a black marker and a pair of scissors. I am going to use my hot glue, and I'm also going to use the glue stick for this one. All right, I'm going to mark 3 inches from the bottom to the mark, and then I'm just going to cut, and then we are going to cut strips of the yellow paper. Now, this is maybe about a 1/2 inch thick. I'm going to do 3 of those. Then I'm going to hot glue them onto the black paper. It's okay if the yellow paper is smaller, it doesn't matter. This is a little trick that I have learned to add glue on a strip. You just put it in between your finger and the glue, and then you're just going to slide it out, and it just works so good. It's so much easier. All right, once I have the stripes on the black paper, we're going to cut off the ends, and we're going to attach it to the bottom of the roll with a little hot glue, wrapping it all the way around and then securing it with hot glue. We're creating a bee. Now, that being said, you can always paint this on instead of using paper. So keep that in mind. All right, we're going to add the googly eyes to the brown portion of it to the pot top. And I'm going to add a little smile. Of course, this is optional, but our bee is happy. So we're going to take the Chanel stem, we're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to roll the top portion, and this is what we're going to use for the antennas, and we're just going to hot glue it inside of the roll on each side, and we're going to do the same thing with that second one and attach it on the opposite side. Now we want to give it wings, so I'm just going to freehand what will look like wings, fold it again in half so that we can cut them together, and I am going to leave about an inch space in between each wing, so when you cut it, it's going to look like a little bone. And you'll see what I'm talking about right now. And then we're going to add hot glue in the center or whatever glue you want. and attach him to the center. How adorable. Oh my word. He is so cute. I think this is my favorite, but I like the owl too. Oh my gosh, but don't go anywhere because I have another one for you. For this next fun DIY craft, we're going to use, of course, another paper roll, some cardboard. Now this is on the thinner side, but you can use the thicker one or you can use poster board. I'm going to use a black and pink markers. Googly eyes for this one as well. We're going to use 2 pom-poms. I ended up not using the white one, but you can if you want. We are going to use crayons, and then we're also going to use my hot glue and a pencil so that we can draw some things, and of course scissors so we can cut. All right, so we're going to mark 2.5 inches on the paper roll, and we're just going to use scissors to cut it. Then we're going to use the roll. We're just going to trace a circle, and we're going to add little tiny circles in the front. It's going to look like a little mouse or something. Then we're just going to cut it. Now this cardboard, like I mentioned, it's a little on the thinner side, so it works well with scissors. I'm going to freehand what will look like bunny ears. I'm just going to do one, cut it, and then we're going to take that one and trace it so that we can have a second one in similar shape and size. And then, of course, we want to cut that. Now, we are going to create a little bunny, but it's going to hold crayons. So this is a cute little craft you can do with your kids. I'm going to paint or color the center of the ears with a pink marker on both ears. And then we are going to make little toes on what will be the feet. All right, so let's put everything together. We're going to add the pink pom-pom in the center. This will be the nose. Then we're going to add the googly eyes, of course, as the eyes. And then we're going to take the black marker and we're going to create a mouth. And we're also going to create whiskers, although you can skip the whiskers if you like. I like creating them. I think it looks so cute. We're going to add hot glue to the bottom rim of the roll and attach it to what will be the base and the feet. And then we're going to add the ears to the top on the back. Now, this is where you could have added that white pom-pom in the back as a tail, and I think that would be so cute. We're going to take some crayons and we're going to put them right inside. How adorable. Oh my gosh. You can also put pencils if you keep it a little larger, like if you keep the roll in the original size. Adorable. What do you think, though? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.